Hey, this is Mark Friedman from Tulip, and I just want to share with you a really quick, simple application. It's a dashboard. So in the past, we've shown you, the quality events forms and the audit forms and these sorts of forms where you can, if you have a defect, you can record that defect and you can plug that application into any of into your apps. Let me show you that one real quick. That's one that we've already released. It's the quality event form. And you may recognize it, but here I can basically just, type in, part 001, a location. I'll just say I'll use that, and just to get things moving here, I'll just enter this in. So I can record an event here, some quality event, and then, we have the manager application, where you can then look at those events and process them here. But what we don't have is a dashboard, and that's what I want to show you, is I can take this event here, and I can, close it or whatever. And if I look at the dashboard, then you can see exactly how many pending events we have, how many new ones were created today, how many were closed today. You can see your Pareto over the last 30 days, all of your open actions here, and then a trend. So it's really just an example. I'm sure you'll want to change this specific to what you want to do, but this is a good starting point. And it's in the library, so I hope this is a nice starting point for you guys to take a look at. You can see this, maybe this is on a big screen. Maybe you want to do like a digital daily management board, and you could even click on these maybe during your daily management and disposition them or assign ownership and things like this. So a lot of fun things you could do here, but this is just a place to get you started. So hopefully that's helpful. Thanks a lot.